From the swirling chaos of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has raged for centuries, showcasing the raw power and beauty of our solar system's largest planet, to the delicate dance of snowflakes on Earth, each one unique, forming intricate patterns as they gently descend from the sky, blanketing the world in a serene, white wonderland. Our universe is a tapestry woven with intricate patterns of weather and climate. These patterns are not random. They are the result of complex interactions between the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land masses, influenced by the energy we receive from the sun. These forces shape our world, influencing everything from the clothes we wear as we adapt to the changing seasons, layering up in winter and dressing lightly in summer, to the crops we grow. Farmers rely on predictable weather patterns to plant and harvest their crops, ensuring food security for communities around the globe. Understanding these patterns is not just an academic pursuit, it is essential for our survival. Climate scientists dedicate their lives to studying these phenomena, analyzing vast amounts of data to uncover the secrets of our planet's climate. It's crucial for our planning, our safety, and our future. Emergency services prepare for extreme weather events, reinforcing homes and infrastructure to withstand the forces of nature. Just as astronomers predict the celestial movements of stars and planets, mapping the heavens with precision, climate scientists use sophisticated models to forecast the Earth's atmospheric moods. These models simulate the interactions between the atmosphere, oceans, and land, providing a glimpse into our planet's future. These predictions, though not infallible, provide invaluable insights into the months ahead, helping us anticipate weather patterns and prepare accordingly, allowing us to prepare for potential extremes and make informed decisions. Communities come together to discuss weather preparedness, ensuring that everyone knows how to stay safe during storms and other extreme weather events. This collective effort helps to mitigate the impact of these events, protecting lives and property. As we turn the page to January 2025, the U.S. climate outlook reveals a nation divided by temperature. A stark contrast emerges between the western and eastern halves of the country, painting a picture of two distinct climatic experiences. While the West basks in the warmth of above-average temperatures, the East shivers under the grip of a cooler-than-usual January. This temperature dichotomy highlights the dynamic nature of our planet's atmosphere, where subtle shifts in wind patterns and ocean currents can have dramatic impacts on regional climates. From the sun-kissed beaches of California, where the golden sands meet the azure waves and the palm trees sway gently in the coastal breeze, to the majestic snow-capped peaks of the Rockies, standing tall and proud, blanketed in a pristine layer of white, the American West is poised for a warmer-than-average January. This unusual weather pattern is capturing the attention of meteorologists and residents alike. This winter heat wave, driven by a persistent ridge of high pressure, is creating an atmospheric barrier that deflects colder air masses away from the region. As a result, balmy temperatures will envelop a region that typically braces for more seasonal chills. Cities and towns are experiencing an unexpected warmth, prompting people to shed their winter layers and enjoy the outdoors. While this warm spell may offer a welcome respite from winter's chill, allowing families to take leisurely walks in sun-drenched parks and engage in outdoor activities usually reserved for spring, it also raises concerns about drought conditions in a region already grappling with water scarcity. The dry riverbeds and parched landscapes are stark reminders of the ongoing challenges. The lack of snowpack in the mountains could have significant implications for water resources later in the year. Snowmelt is a crucial source of water for agriculture, drinking supplies, and hydroelectric power generation. Without adequate snow, reservoirs may remain low, and the ripple effects could be felt across various sectors, from farming communities to urban centers. The delicate balance of the ecosystem and the economy hinges on these vital water resources, making the current weather patterns a cause for both short-term enjoyment and long-term concern. Meanwhile, on the other side of the continent, the eastern U.S. braces for a January deep freeze. From the bustling metropolises of the Northeast to the rolling hills of the Ohio Valley, below-average temperatures are expected to grip the region. This cold snap, fueled by a southward dip in the jet stream, will bring with it the familiar sights and sounds of winter snow flurries, icy roads, and the need for extra layers. While this may be a welcome change for winter sports enthusiasts, it also brings challenges for transportation, energy consumption, and those experiencing homelessness. Section 5. The Northwest's liquid sunshine, a deluge of precipitation. As the mercury rises in the west, the Pacific Northwest prepares for a different kind of extreme, a deluge of precipitation. From the rain-soaked forests of Washington to the rugged coastline of Oregon, above-average rainfall is expected to soak the region. While this abundance of rainfall may replenish rivers and reservoirs, it also brings the risk of flooding and landslides. Coastal communities in particular will need to be prepared for the potential impacts of heavy rains and high surf. Section 6. Parched Southwest, thirsting for relief in a dry spell. In stark contrast to the Northwest's water abundance, the Southwest faces the prospect of continued drought. From the arid deserts of Arizona to the sprawling cities of Southern California, below-average precipitation is expected to exacerbate already dire water shortages. This persistent drought, fueled by a combination of natural climate variability and human-caused climate change, poses significant challenges for the region. Water restrictions, wildfires, and strained ecosystems are just some of the consequences of this ongoing water crisis. Section 7. Droughts retreat, a glimmer of hope in the east. Amidst the stark contrasts in temperature and precipitation, there is a glimmer of hope for some drought-stricken areas. The Northeast, Ohio Valley, and Northern Rockies are all expected to see some improvement in drought conditions. This welcome news comes as a result of recent precipitation and above-average snowfall in some areas. While this doesn't signal a complete end to drought concerns, it offers a much-needed reprieve for these regions. Section 8. Drought's grip tightens, the Southwest's ongoing struggle. However, the same cannot be said for the Southwest, where drought conditions are expected to persist or even worsen. The lack of precipitation, coupled with warmer temperatures, creates a recipe for continued water stress. This ongoing drought highlights the urgent need for sustainable water management practices, conservation efforts, and innovative solutions to address the challenges of a changing climate. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve, the importance of climate awareness. As we navigate the complexities of a changing climate, staying informed about climate predictions is more crucial than ever. The weather patterns we once took for granted are now shifting in unpredictable ways, affecting everything from our daily routines to long-term planning. Whether it's a sudden storm, an unexpected heat wave, or prolonged drought, being aware of these changes can help us better prepare and respond. Just as we rely on weather forecasts to make daily decisions, climate outlooks provide valuable insights into the months and seasons ahead. These forecasts are not just about knowing if we need an umbrella tomorrow. They are about understanding broader trends that can impact agriculture, water resources, and even our health. For instance, farmers can adjust their planting schedules based on seasonal predictions, while city planners can design infrastructure that withstands extreme weather events. By understanding the potential risks and opportunities presented by our changing climate, we can make informed decisions that protect our communities, our economies, and our planet. Community meetings and discussions about climate change are essential for raising awareness and fostering collective action. When people come together to share knowledge and resources, they can develop innovative solutions to mitigate the impacts of climate change. This collaborative approach ensures that everyone, from local governments to individual citizens, plays a role in creating a sustainable future. From adapting our agricultural practices to investing in renewable energy sources, knowledge is our most powerful tool in the face of climate change. Farmers can implement sustainable practices that conserve water and soil, while renewable energy projects like solar panels and wind turbines reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By staying informed and proactive, we can build resilient communities that thrive despite the challenges posed by a changing climate. The importance of climate awareness cannot be overstated. It is the foundation upon which we can build a more sustainable and secure future for all.